this is day 2 in Fiji. We're very excited because today we are going on like a sailing tour, which is super exciting. We're not actually even sure, to be honest, which islands we're going to, but I'll show you the leaflet. I'll show you which one. We're going on like a catamaran, and it's roughly around $200, so a little bit more pricey, but should be a good day. We do get a barbecue. We might be going to a sandbar, and
mimosas on arrival.
Mimosas on arrival, that's important. So yeah, we're gonna have a really good day, and I'm excited. I found the leaflet. We're going with South Sea Sailing for Fiji's finest day experience on this like lovely catamaran here. So it does sound really good. I'm just excited to see what we get up to. Guys, we are on the boat, and this is currently our view. The water is literally so blue. There's Annie. And yeah, it's just sensational out on the water. I mean, it's insane. I'm super excited to get to this sandbank, see if it's there, because if it's high tide then it might not be. But either way, we'll have a really nice time, and we'll go snorkeling anyway. And I have got my GoPro, which means that I should have some good footage today. So keep watching. Have been purchased, first drinks of the day, and we are about an hour and a half into our sailing, so we should be hitting our first snorkeling spot. So I'm super excited, and we've got all our gear over there, and we're ready to go. Woo! Guys, so we had the most amazing snorkeling session. I don't know how many videos I'm going to manage to put in, but we saw some incredible things. There was, I think my favourite was the like blue starfish, which sadly Annie didn't see, but we're going out again after lunch. Just having lunch at the moment, and it's 2 hours of free beer and wine, so I'm going to make the most of that. So wow, it's just been insane so far. Like, I'm so happy right now, and I love that the freckles are in full right now. It's so good. So guys, after snorkeling round 2, we are now cruising all the way back, if you can't hear, sailing all the way back with this massive sail, and you can tell by the wind that I'm sure you can definitely hear. But yeah, we're just going to get some cocktails in, and I think we're just going to chill until we're back. And yeah, and then we'll see what we get up to tonight, if there's a vibe. I don't know what the vibe is in Fiji, so I don't know if there is a vibe, but we'll make it up as we go along. But my hair is like actual straw right now, like it's just matted as hell. Need to get some oil on that. came back from our wonderful Sabre boat trip, which was actually so good, and I'm super glad that we did that. Though we are pretty exhausted after that, I can't lie. So we are just walking up the beach at the moment, which is why you could hear the lovely sound of the ocean in the background. But we're kind of just trying to see if there's like a place to go out at all, or oh, that's a river. Jump. Oh, I'm in. Oh, hello. We're heading to this like beach bar that's just around the corner and apparently is good, but I don't know how it's going to be on a Wednesday night. We're pretty tired, so if it's not looking great, we probably will just go back. So guys, last night we basically went to like this beach bar and there was like not really much going on. So we've kind of concluded that during the evening it is off season as well. So like basically there's not a lot to do. So that was fine. We just basically went to bed and yeah, we're off on another exciting adventure today. But if you want to know about that, then you're gonna have to check out the next video. So like, subscribe, and I will see you then. Bye.